Hello friends. Today I'm going to talk about a cucumber food that will allow all the baby cucumbers that grow on the plant to mature quickly and become large cucumbers. And also from this fertilizer the harvest will be tasty and healthy. I think all of you have encountered such a problem, or are now facing it. That such small babies of cucumbers do not grow, but sit in place, then turn yellow and fall off. And you can't figure out why. The fact is that at this phase of development of the cucumber plant, phosphorus, potassium, as well as macro and micro elements are needed. And since we are already harvesting the fruits, the top dressing should be organic. I have been using potassium humate for several years now, in addition to the fact that it contains potassium salts of humic and fulvic acids. It also contains biologically active substances such as amino acids, peptides, succinic acid, and of course many different microelements are especially important for plants such as sulfur, magnesium, zinc, iron, manganese, boron, copper, and silicon. A working solution from this fertilizer is prepared as follows. Add 35 milliliters of potassium humate to 10 quarts of warm water. Because cucumbers must be fed with water outdoor temperature, not cold. Do not forget to irrigate with clean water before feeding and let the water soak in, and then only apply top dressing. And feeding cucumbers with potassium humate accelerates the process of nutrients entering the plant and increases their utilization rate. Potassium humate also activates the growth and development of the root system. This top dressing also increases the resistance of the plant to frost, drought, and high temperatures. It also stimulates the growth of soil microflora by populating it with beneficial microorganisms. Also activates the synthesis of proteins, carbohydrates, and vitamins in plants. All this in a complex and allows you to collect a plentiful, early harvest, and also not a single cucumber on your plants will turn yellow or fall off. So the yield of the whole plant will be maximum. So friends to whom the information was useful, don't forget to share these videos with your friends. And also subscribe to my channel so as not to miss new videos. I wish you a good day. See you in new videos.